Hey, good morning. I guess the cat's out of the bag. This is the name of the greenhouse. She officially has a name. Casa del Sol, House of the Sun. Figured it's pretty appropriate for a greenhouse, sun house, sunroom. Came from me, a friend of mine years ago had a place down in Florida, Casa del Sol, and good energy, good vibes, good spiritual feeling. So I figured we'd translate a little bit of that into my project, my backyard, and so I figured I'd not only give you all the heads up on the new name, Casa del Sol. It's going to be a YouTube channel, going to do some different things with it, but it's going to be Casa del Sol Urban Garden Oasis and Apiary. So as you can see, we have apiary part over here. We're starting the bee thing. Matter of fact, I'm going out to a friend of mine's hunting property this afternoon, helping get a beehive, honeybees, out of a trailer, one of their hunting trailers. So looking forward to that. Figured today I'd give you the scoop on the Casa del Sol and we'll take you around and show you some different projects we got going on. Alrighty, let's give y'all a quick little old tour of Casa del Sol and what improvements we've done and what more, hi Gracie, and what more we have left to do. Alright, so we've got doors installed. We got the excellent new logo branding, Casa del Sol, House of the Sun, happiness, and getting everything all kind of ready to rock and roll for the old fall season here. So we're going to start with the outside and we'll work our way around. So of course we got the beehive going on right here. They're doing good. I'm going to break down the top box and do some things here in the next day or so. And time to clean out the leaf gutters. I guess not rain gutters right now. We actually got us a beautiful rain last night. Really did some things, make everything kind of happy. So here we go. Paint's done, outside exterior's pretty much done. Got a little bit of plumbing work to do in the back, and I'll show you that in a minute. The peas are about done for the season. They're about kaput. Bees are still rocking and rolling. They're happy. It's crazy. They're bringing in about 17 different colors of pollen right now. Anyway, so we have the gutter system. We got the plastic shield on there, and got the gutters all installed and happiness. You can see it comes down here, and we got a little leaf blocker so we don't get leaves going into the barrels, and we have those sealed off. I'm actually going to get some more fishies today, but you can see it's sealed off. And I stole the table off the fence that I was using for the bees. That was my little bee helper. That's actually my original bee box that didn't work out so swimmingly. Vent fans up there. We're gonna make a cover for that for winter time. Just to help with insulation. You can see all the happiness, goodness going on there. Bananas are looking great. We'll go in there in a minute. So as you can see, we got the 3-barrel system. I still got to plug in. I have the one spigot here, and I'm actually pulling out of that one. The water for the greenhouse that's going into there is pulling out of that one. So I still got to sync all 3 of these up, which is going to happen pretty soon. I got to do some leaf detailing here too. Like I said before, this is the one with the goldfish in it right now. I'll be putting more fish in the other 2 here shortly. Keeps the mosquitoes down. They pee happiness, they poop happiness, whatever. And oh boy, it's been one heck of a project. This is the fence project. Battery always helps. Let's get this fence knocked out. Let's go ahead and put some dog ears up today. Get the rest of this project, get this one knocked out. Alright. Be done with it. Start on something new. Something exciting. This is exciting too. I'm very excited about my fence being put up. You're amazed at how much the new fence. I was kind of surprised. I knew about the sight thing and about visuals and everything, but it's amazing how much sound. It really blocks out a lot of the surrounding sounds. Besides my air conditioner for my workshop. I know, I'm spoiled. Air conditioning workshop. Don't hate. Ta-da! Done. Time to saw this bad boy down. And down comes the old fence for the new fence. No offense. This urban oasis is going to be quite exciting for me. You know, one of the main reasons I started this project was to show everybody that no matter what, everybody's like, oh, you know, I would do urban gardening, I would do this if I just had the property, if I just had the land. This is going to show you that you can do this on a minimal footprint. You can do this in a very small environment. You can see nothing major here. And if you look real close, right behind you is my compost pile. It's a little messy right now, excuse me. But I'm going to spin this around right here. If you look right here, and man, this is my compost pile. It is right here. We got all kinds of, oops, trash bags gotta come out. It's a little messy. I've been working back here, but I'm telling you, this is an #1 worms the size of your arm happiness in here. Like I said, you can do this on an urban environment. There's no excuse. No matter what size you got, do what you got to do. Make it happen. So we're not working with a lot of property here, but we're going to maximize and use what we can. We're going to learn. As you can see, like I said, good old favorite. Ooh, look how long I've come. Boy, that box is way down there. I sure do need to clean up behind that shed too. Disregard that right now. One down, 5 million more to go. You're gonna see this thing is all done, but as you can see here, old fence, new fence, looking good. Building a step-up stool, step-up thing to the bee box. Originally, everybody's like, "Oh, your box is too high, or your stand's too high, your stand's too high." Well, they were right. It was too high, but for video and for ease of getting up underneath it, I've got a screen board. I've got a screen bottom of this, so I can look up underneath there. I can check it out. I like the height. I'm going to build some steps up to it, but I like it for maintenance-wise and for video and stuff like that. I like that height. So, and usually this is going to be the max number of boxes I'm really going to try to rock on any one hive. So we'll be okay with that. Eventually may build a smaller one or something. Don't know. All right, so like I said, we got the greenhouse irrigation system, blah, 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 working swimmingly. The other side here, that's my dog's butt. In case you're wondering what a dog butt looks like. So there we go. This is the other side and plumbed into this one. You can see out here, this is temporary. I'm going to change it around eventually, but this is the hose that goes in, up, and to the SureFlow pump inside the greenhouse. So without further ado, let's just take a walk and look inside. As you can see, all the lufah plants are still going crazy. Like I said before, if anybody's interested in some lufah seeds, good stock seeds, let me know. I'll make sure you get some of those. All right, let's all open up the door here. Let's go right on inside. Take a looky-loo around in here. Wire all this in so we can have nice, pretty switches and all that kind of stuff. There's some more lufah plants drying. Lufah sponges, wealthy. And as you can see, we've got more going on there. Got a little tomato going on down there. My sad little mint back there. I'll tell you what, y'all. I don't know if I've never been able to grow a pitcher plant before in my life. And this boy has just gone crazy. Started from a nothing. Started from a nothing. Here we are, looking happy and goodness. So, very excited about that. Actually, I got some moss, some sphagnum moss, and we're going to replant those in the next couple days. And get some happiness going on here. My banana plants, holy wow. These are the blue Java. These are the ones that taste like the vanilla ice cream. They are gangbuster. They're doing great. So you see, I put my AstroTurf. A lot of people ask me about the AstroTurf and how does the water drain? Man, it drains great. Just no problem whatsoever. So with my happiness on-demand pump there, just anytime I want to, just, and look, doesn't matter. It just drains right through. So I can get in here and I can do what I do best. I can make a mess. So as you can see, works absolutely great. That's a piece of the layout. There's my aloe, fixing to break those apart, and there's the dragon fruit there. It's fixing to start cutting this, and look, it's going crazy in here. We're actually fixing to start clipping this back and start making cuttings. Another dog. So, like I said, you can see the greenhouse project is going really well. Next step in this project is going to be running the power in here, and also, like I said, it's fall's coming in here, so pretty soon it's going to be switching from trying to keep this bad boy cool to keeping it warm. So don't think it's going to be a problem, but I'm going to do a little bit of magic to make that happen, get the wires all finished up in here. So without further ado, let's rock this bad boy back outside. I hope y'all have enjoyed the videos I've been making and watching the progress. I know I have. Got a long way to go, but it's a fun process. We're kind of shifting gears right now, going down into fall. The lufah plants, if y'all been watching, the lufah plants are starting to dry on the vine and getting ready to take some of these and make our good old-fashioned lufah sponges. Alright, and there are your lufah seeds. And you can see there is a lot of them. If you're interested in having some of my super Jack and the Beanstalk lufah seeds, proven to produce copious amounts of monster lufahs, and send me a message, give me a heads up, whatever. Be more than happy to send y'all some of them. So you can see I got plenty of them. And then you got your beautiful, sit these down here. Then we have our beautiful lufah Dead Sea sponge, redneck back scratcher, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna cut these up and tie a piece of cord on them, and these will make some really good sponge. And there you have it. one lufah sponge, Dead Sea sponge. It's ready for doing scrubby. Works great. Seeds available. Y'all want some? Hit me up. Let me know. Be more than happy to get y'all some out there. And I got plenty. Trust me. And you can see they're different stages of drying right now. Still growing. Still flowering. So yeah. Let me know. I've only got a couple hundred, so hit me up. I'll be more than happy to get y'all some. And there you have it. Dead Sea sponge. And I hope y'all enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy making them. Love the experience. I love the feedback from people I get walking around town and stuff like that. Oh, you know, how's the bees doing? What's going on with the backyard? And I tell you, it's been just a really, really fun learning everything, new things every day. Did a quick little hive inspection a couple of days ago, and things didn't turn out quite the way I planned with the frameless or the foundationless stuff. We'll get into that too. But it's a learning experience, organic movement. It's all fluid here, so enjoyed a lot. Again, I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. Tell a friend about my channel. You know, share it around. You know, get it out there. I love meeting new people and getting some feedback and stuff like that on what they think I should do different, or some things that they would like for me to show how to do or whatever. So just let me know what y'all think. Like, share, subscribe. Give it a big fat thumbs up, and hope y'all enjoy it. Casa del Sol.